Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I want to share with you a lot of things. First thing, I want to ask you one question. Did you make resolution or not when 2025 occurred? You may have made resolution that I will become this one, I'll become that one, I'll get fluency, I'll speak English language very fluently, but did you stand on your words that, okay, I'll do everything on the right time or I'll do this one, that one? Did you do or not? Because you have already spent 6 months. Your 6 month has already slipped out of your hand. Do you know or not? I hope you know already. So now you have remaining 6 months. My friend, if you haven't taken your 6 month very seriously, from today onwards, once again try to take the responsibility and try to use your time on the right place and in the right manner. And then you can achieve whatever you want. My friend, I have seen many people, they make resolution, they write down in diary, they say, I'll do this one, that one, but their resolution is made for only 1 month or for only few days only. I think it goes on only few days, and after that they forget whatever they have written in their diary. They postpone for the next year. If they postpone for only 1 day or 1 month or 2 months, that's okay, but my friend, you won't believe they postpone for next year. Okay, this year I couldn't do, then in 2026 I'll try. This kind of thing they do. So think, can they achieve whatever they wanted to achieve? No, they won't be. Why? Because they didn't change their habit, they didn't change their thought. Only they write down and they worked few days. If you want to achieve something big, you have to work continuously every single day, no matter how many minutes you are working, and it will make you successful in any field, you know. So people, they try to write down and they think that I will achieve if I do something big only for few days, or if I do a lot of things only for few days I can achieve. My friend, no, you have to do every single day and then you can achieve success. So if you are also someone who only writes in the diary and don't do anything, my friend, you have to change from today onwards. Just be responsible. As you can see, your 6 month has already gone. Are you able to speak English language fluently? No. What could be the reason? Why are you unable to speak this language fluently? Because I guess you didn't try your level best. I guess you tried, but only for few days, right? So from today onwards, don't repeat the same kind of mistake, or else you will get the same result, you know. So if you want to get something different, first of all, change your thought. So once you are going to decide what you are going to achieve or what you want to achieve, then think positive that I'll definitely get. Not only for few days, every single day affirm, you know, after getting up, before sleeping, or whenever you feel that, okay, I'm feeling peaceful, then affirm to yourself that I'll achieve either fluency or anything, you know, then you will see you will get. And second thing, only thinking is not enough. You have to take action also. And not only action, my friend, I would say that there is one simple thing. Try to change your habit. I'm saying it's simple, but it's not simple. To be honest, it's really very difficult. Saying someone work on your habit, it's very easy. But if we have to work on ourselves, on our habit, it is really very challenging, you know. But my friend, once we are able to work on our habit, or once we are able to change our habit, you won't believe whatever we want to achieve, we can achieve, you know. So it's all about our habit. If you change your habit, you can achieve whatever you want. It could be learning English, it could be achieving any goal in your life. But if you don't have good habit, you just keep scrolling mobile, you just binge watch unnecessary videos, my friend, you won't get whatever you want. You need to change your habit, because a successful people have different kind of habit, right? A successful English speaker, they have different kind of habit, they do something differently, and that is why they are speaking this language. They are not like you, scrolling mobile and not managing the time, spending precious time anywhere on unnecessary things. Then how could you be equal to them? How could you think that you will get the thing which they are getting? If you want to get like them, it could be success or fluency or anything, you have to do like them, you have to be like them, you have to think like them. So whosoever speak this language, they have different kind of habit. Once they get up, they think about English, they don't scroll, they don't binge watch, they don't feed their mind with unnecessary information. They watch videos related to English, they watch videos related to success. So you have to change your habit if you want to achieve something. First thing, change your thought. My friend, it's very hot, and my face is also sweating. I think I need to make my video as soon as possible. Yeah, so where I was, first thing, change your thought. Start thinking positive, that you can achieve anything irrespective of your place or your situation, your background. You can achieve anything, my friend, if you have a positive thought, if you have what we say, that good habit. A successful people have different kind of habit, just keep in your mind. They have different kind of mindset, and they use their time very wisely. They don't binge watch unnecessary videos, they watch whatever is needed for them, whatever is useful for them. Whosoever uses time carefully or wisely, they are going to achieve whatever they want in their life. So become like successful type of person, or be like successful type of person, then you will achieve whatever successful people they are achieving. So think positive and change your habit. And third thing, I would say that take action on the right time. Yes, you heard me right, my friend. I've seen many people, they keep thinking. You won't believe, I told one of my friends, let's try to learn English language. I told her that I'm here to support you. Then she told me, okay, I'll try to watch video. I said, from today onwards, start watching one videos. It could be grammar related or anything. Just watch in English language. But I think she did it for 1 day, 2 day. There is no response from her side. I think she has stopped learning this language. She's from my village. So if you are not disciplined, and if you are doing a lot of things only 1 day, and you have made resolution that you will achieve something big, my friend, sorry to say, you won't be able to achieve, because your habit is not like successful type of people. Your habit is not like a fluent English speaker. A fluent English speaker, they give a lot of time, they keep thinking about English language, they read book wherever they go. I believe that they think about English. They are very much worried about English, and that's why they are speaking English language fluently. So if you also want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, change your thought, change your habit, be disciplined, use your time, manage your time properly, and take action on right time. If you keep thinking, I'll become a fluent speaker, my friend, time is fleeting. It is slipping from our hand. We won't realize this year will be finished, and then upcoming year will come. I think starting up 2026 also, many people, they will make resolution. They will write somewhere and they will say that, okay, I'll become a fluent speaker in 2026. But if they repeat same kind of thought, habit, or time management type of things, then they will receive the same thing, same result. But if we want to achieve something different, we need to do something different. So the more you are postponing your action, your habit, or whatever you need to do, I would say the far your goal is going, or the away your goal is going, so just be careful. If you want to achieve something in short period of time, you need to act accordingly. You can't be irresponsible person and achieve something big. You need to be responsible, or you have to be responsible if you want to achieve something big. A successful people have different kind of habit. You need to keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so now I've shared with you. I hope you are going to take it very seriously, because my friend, only 6 months is impending. Okay, this 6 months will be also gone if you don't become responsible, and then you will keep saying, oh God, I am unable to speak English language, and not only English but so many things. So my friends, I don't want you to regret. I want you to embrace. I want you to feel happy by the end of 2025 by speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. So this is what I wanted to share with you. And I want you to take a closer look of my garden. As you can see, my garden is getting beautiful day by day. Greenery is everywhere. As I'm recording my video, the sunlight is directly reflecting on my face, and due to which my face is sweating. Not only my face, I would say my whole body is sweating. But so this is what I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.